I used to shampoo my hair every single day, once to twice a day. If you keep washing your hair, you're losing the natural oil, and that's where it starts to fall. Started to see a gradual hair fall. I start once every 3 days or when the hair gets too oily. Because for my hair, once it gets oily, I start to feel like it's itchy around my scalp. That's where I decide to shampoo. On no shampoo days, I'll just rinse it with cold or room temperature water, like on low pressure water, just to rub it and massage your scalp a bit, just to make sure that you can move the oil out. Just do a slight circular motion. For those days where I shampoo my hair, if I have time, I would do like egg hair mask. All you need to do is to take one raw egg and crack it open, break the yolk together with the egg white, and then on wet hair, spread all over your hair. You can touch your scalp, it's okay. It will leave it on for 15 minutes, 1-5, and then after that, you room temperature rinse off the hair, and then you can do a shampoo. What shampoo is good? I honestly do not have any idea what shampoo is good. Every scalp condition is different. I think my scalp tend to be on the oilier side, and especially if you are in a hot, humid weather, it makes my hair even oilier. When I was in Vietnam traveling, I bought this one, but does it work on me? I think it's a good shampoo for me. It cleans well, not drying, moisturizing, and it has keratin. This worked for me. There are shampoos out there that are quite dry. It cleans your hair well, but it's quite drying. You have to be very careful. Not all shampoos work on you. You just have to experiment with it. I chose something that is not so dry because I did try some other shampoos that are very clean, where they strip all your oil from your hair, which is not so good. This one, I think it's quite nourishing for me. Shampoo portion. Estimated amount of shampoo I use per session. Shampoo is drying to your hair. Just a bit, lather it with some water, and then you massage all areas to make sure that your oil are being scrubbed off by your hands, but lightly. This is still your precious hair trying to grow out. You're just trying to make sure that you move the oil around your hair, and then after that, best is cold water or room temperature to just rinse it off. Slowly, not on high pressure water like waterfall, no, but lightly let it rinse off, massage the shampoo away, rinse off your hair. Just by putting it on for 1 minute, it's enough to make it clean while nourishing it. After your shampoo, finish your shower, lightly pat dry your hair, or you don't scrub it, lightly pat dry. Don't even dry my hair, I just let it. Sometimes I'll just press the water out like that at my shower, just to let the water drip off. Just lightly press, because pressing doesn't really pull your hair, you see. You still have to remember that your hair is precious, it's still growing stage. I just press my hair, let the water flow out, and then let it dry naturally. Then after that, if I want to accelerate the drying part, I will start to towel dry my hair. Just try to press or just shake a bit. Don't really need to. You don't do this. This is like, seriously, this is a tornado to your hair. If there's a tornado, I tell you, all your hair will be uprooted very soon. Treat your hair with kindness. Another question is, do I blow dry my hair? You may be asking whether hair dryer helps or not. I think there is a difference between dried by hair dryer and without a hair dryer. When you blow dry your hair, you get a very good volume, and you can blow dry in an opposite direction so that you have a certain volume. And then another thing is, do not sleep with wet hair, because if you sleep with wet hair, logically speaking, when you are lying down, your wet hair against a pillow, you will be pulling it against your hair. That's where your hair will fall. After shampooing, I would put 1 drop, just very tiny drop of olive oil onto my dry hair. Just massage it around the head. Extra virgin olive oil, I use it just 1 drop on your palm, and then you rub it around it, and then you just pat around your hair, and then lightly move a bit to spread the oil around. And you can use it as a styling thing, or just you don't have to wash it away. It's natural. Whether or not it flattens my hair or causes my hair to be oily, I'm not sure. So you have to This is the part where I'm not sure. But I've been doing this olive oil twice a week after every shampoo. It worked on me. It didn't, on the next day, it didn't make my hair super oily because I did not use a lot. It's rosemary water. This is so crazy. I even went to a flower farm in Chiang Mai. I set a motorbike down just to buy this pot of rosemary plant. This is, I think, it's quite cheap, 50 Thai baht. How I use this rosemary water is there's no real recipe for this. It's like a trial and error as long as it works. 2 stems of this rosemary plant and you boil it. I even bought this from the supermarket. I tell you, I'm so damn auntie. I bought this electric hot pot thing from the supermarket. This is so cheap. This is like 300 baht. That's 12 Singapore dollars. Very cheap, but I'm not sure is it toxic. Don't know. But all I did was I put 2 stems of rosemary plant, stem and leaf together. You don't need to pluck out the leaf or anything. Just cut them small, put it in and add some water. And again, the amount of water, I have no idea how much. It's the agar ration, up to you. Add some water and let it boil. And after boiling for maybe 30 minutes, where all the good stuff are out in the water, and then you turn off the heat. I will let it sit overnight so everything will come out, and I would pour it into this spray bottle. Spray it and massage it. Why rosemary? It is said to be the natural remedy replacement of Minoxidil. Minoxidil is the medication, but this is the plant. That's the plant. Why not use the plant? This is natural. It takes some time to get the preparation right, and then hey, come on, this is for your hair. If you really cherish your hair, you wanted hair growth, try it. I just started this. Whether or not it works, I'm not sure, but at least you know the properties behind this is alternative to Minoxidil. Why not? It's natural.